Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through a face mask which I am applying these days. So as you all know that we are running in the phase of quarantine, and in this quarantine period, I am going to share a mask which you can make at home. So for that mask, you only need products from your kitchen. So they are readily available at your home, so you don't need to go outside your home to buy those products and make the face mask. So let's begin the video. So first you need to take a bowl like this and a spoon, because we need a bowl for our ingredients and we need a spoon for mixing. So first ingredient which we need to take is besan. So you need to take besan for your skin. So we need to take at least 1 tablespoon of besan like this you can take. And then you can take haldi. So you can for some people haldi might suit their skin, and for some people haldi is not suitable, so you can take pinch of haldi. So like this you can take. And then after that you need coconut oil. So you can take fresh coconut oil, but I only have this parachute coconut oil with me, so I take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And the last step is rose water. So you need to take rose water to mix all of those in. So just add rose water. Now you are going to mix all of that and make a thick paste, not a running paste but a thick paste. So you can add more rose water to make a thick paste. Your paste must come like in this kind of consistency. And now you can, with your fingers, you can apply this face mask on your face like this, all over your face. You can mix water if that is not coming up your face. You can also always mix water, but I am like to do with my hands. So like this. Or we are going to add a little bit of rose water. And apply this on all over the face. Make sure that you have already washed your face and you have removed the makeup before you apply this mask or any mask. So apply this mask like this. So now after applying, you need to wait for at least 10 minutes, and then you can easily scrub it off, this mask. What you can do is, don't apply water directly. Take a little bit of water, tap it under your palm and just place it on the mask and scrub it off and scrape it off in that opposite direction of your hair growth. So I follow this twice a week, so you can do it twice or thrice a week as per your requirements. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you soon guys with more exciting videos. Tata, bye bye.